And I had a lot of clients that were really into success mindset, and they were doing a lot of the things that they thought they should be doing to craft a successful life. They were setting goals, visualizing, doing dream boards and vision boards. And even though they were putting a lot of work into manifesting and creating, they really weren't getting the results that they were hoping for. There were three things that they were missing in their creative process. Number one, they were creating only from the mind and using their mind to craft a mindset. But when you only create from the mind, you actually miss out on a lot of very powerful components of the creative process. Number two, they weren't using the power of their heart to create. Science shows now that our heart is actually a magnetic resonance field, and that when we stay in coherence with our heart energy and we use our heart to create, we actually amp up our creative power significantly. The third thing that they weren't doing is they weren't being consistent. They were trying to have habits. They were trying to structure their creative process in a way that really wasn't right for them. And they didn't really understand that we're not all designed the same. There is no one-size-fits-all blueprint for how we should structure a daily practice. And because they weren't in tune with what was right and correct for them, they weren't able to stick with their habits and practices in a way that they could get the long-term benefit of being consistent over time.